Amazon Fanlight Direct Connection to Alexa Usage Demonstration. First, you need to bind the Echo. Open the Alexa app. Click on the upper right corner to add a device. Choose to add Alexa Echo and the Echo device type. Ensure the Echo is plugged in and displaying an orange light. After powering the Echo, press and hold the action button for more than 15 seconds. For Echo devices without an action button, press and hold the volume, and buttons simultaneously for more than 15 seconds until the orange light turns on, indicating it is in setup mode. Click the Yes button to search for devices. Search for Echo and connect to Wi-Fi. The Echo connection is successful. Select language. Set location permissions. Select the room where Echo is located. The Alexa app successfully linked to Echo. Refresh the interface to display the added Echo devices. Step 2: Device Network Configuration. Clear the code for the fan light before networking. Use the remote control to clear the code. Press and hold the Code Clear button on the remote control until the fan light flashes slowly, indicating that the code has been cleared successfully. Use the wall switch to clear the code. Turn the fan light device off and on 11 times using the wall switch. The fan light flashing slowly 5 times indicates that the code has been cleared successfully. Code clearing is complete. Open the Alexa app. Say to Echo, Alexa, discover my devices.
Starting discovery. This will take a few moments. Power on your new devices now, and if needed, put them in pairing mode.
At this point, Echo begins to discover and connect to the fan light. The fan light blinks 3 times, indicating that the device has successfully connected to Echo.
I found and connected 5 new devices including lights and other devices. Try saying, turn off first light.
Echo announces that the device has been discovered and connected. Refresh the app interface to display that the fan light has been successfully connected. Next, we will demonstrate controlling the fan light through Alexa voice commands. Alexa, turn off first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on first light.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on first fan.
Okay.
Alexa, set first light brightness to 50.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off first fan.
Okay.
That concludes the demonstration of how to connect and use an Amazon fan light directly with Alexa.